Good morning, students. Today, I am going to start a new chapter, and the name of the chapter is banking. Now, you may have a question, sir. You have taught only up to chapter number 11 to us. What happened to chapter number 12 and what happened to chapter number 13? If you go through your reduced syllabus, what is said by the council, you will see the chapter number 12 and chapter number 13. That is, one is industrial relation or dispute, and other is, the transportation and insurance. These two chapters are not there for your board examination. But after completing the syllabus, definitely I am going to discuss those two chapters also a little bit for you people. Because when you go to class 11, these two chapters, that is insurance and logistic, that is chapter number 13 I hope, and chapter number 12, industrial relation, and there are some, what I am telling you, how to calculate provident fund, how to calculate gratuity, all those things are there in that particular chapter. Those two definitely I'll discuss. Not for the purpose of examination, for the purpose of your knowing. Definitely those two chapters question will not going to come for your pre-board or pre-board examination or the board exam, because it is not in the syllabus. You please go through the reduced syllabus what is sent to you and please check it. If it is there, please let me know. So definitely I'll go in details of that. But what I know, those two chapters are not there. That is why today I am going to start chapter number 14, that is banking. And I think this is the last chapter for us for the class 10 only. So I am going very slow. I will discuss very less things. And one chapter is there based on the numerical problems. I am waiting for the school to reopen because it is essential for me to use the board and interaction is required. If it is not open, then definitely before the board examination, may not be before that, I'll discuss it with you. Because optional question come in group B for that numerical problems like last year also I told you, and maximum students are not too much of interested to do that. In group B, there's 6 questions out of that 4 you are supposed to do. So this time also no one attempt that question in pre-board exam. Let me forget about those things. I'm not going in details of that. I'll discuss with you later on. So today I'm going to start the chapter banking. It was there in class 9 also. In 9 we discussed about the commercial bank beta, and in class 10 syllabus is there only the central bank. What is there in the syllabus? Syllabus in class 10, if you go to the reduced syllabus, you'll find out you have to study the meaning of central bank and the functions of central bank. And definitely you have to know at least few differences between central bank and the commercial bank. That is what is there in the syllabus. That is why I am going very slowly. Today's class I am going to discuss the meaning of bank, the meaning of banking, the meaning of central bank, and the meaning of commercial bank. First I am coming, what do you mean by bank? Last year also I told you when I taught you in the class. I told you bank is an institution where basically take the deposit and they grant loan. Maybe the short-term loan, maybe the medium-term loan, or maybe the long-term loan. That is what is basically called a bank. What is bank, beta? Bank is an institution where basically the public, the organization, the firm, what they do? They basically deposit their money there, and whenever they need any kind of loan or advances, loan might be of short term, maybe for 1 year, 2 years, or maybe for few months, or maybe medium terms, or the long term loans they are receiving from there. That is what is called bank. You must have been noticed. In your area, if there is a bank, what is bank? Bank is institution, or you can say place. Basically, you use the word institution. And like to understand it, you can say it is a place. Bank jahan ghar jaisa hai, place hai. What the people are doing there? What you have noticed there? Sometimes people are going there, they are depositing their money, or they are withdrawing their money from the bank, or they are taking loan from the banks. That is what is called a bank. Okay. Now coming, what is banking? Banking, what the bank is doing? They are basically depositing the money and they are granting loan, maybe the short term, medium term or long term loan. So to deposit the money or to withdraw the money from the bank or to take loan from the bank, the process or the methodology what you are applying it, that method or that process is called the banking. Like you are one of my students, suppose you are the manager of a particular bank. If I go to the bank and if I want to deposit my money, I cannot go and give it to you and say, Beda jama kar do. You cannot do like that. You have to follow certain system. You may tell me, sir, please fill up this particular form, sign here, write here, the denomination of the notes, this, that, all those things you make me do it. Similarly, if I want to take a loan from your bank or if I want to withdraw some money from the bank, as I go, by seeing me, you cannot give me the money. Therefore, you will tell me to follow some procedures, fill this paper, fill that paper, are you doing that methodology or the process, what has been followed to deposit the money or to withdraw the money or to take the loan from the bank, that method is called banking. Okay, I hope it is clear. It is basically bank, it is basically a place or institution. On the other hand, banking is the methodology by which you can deposit or withdraw or take loan. That methodology is called the banking. Now coming meaning of central bank and the commercial bank. What is the central bank? Basically, central bank, what do you know about it? Few things that we discuss about. Central bank means in our country, Reserve Bank of India is the central bank. So what is there first? In a country, there is only one central bank, first thing. Second thing, what is happening in central bank? In central bank, they are not directly related with the public. That means what? The public like you and me, the institution like any business firm, they are directly not going to the central bank to deposit the money or to take the loan from there. Yes or no? So what is central bank? Central bank basically is the leader or the head of all the banking system in the money market and the money market. What is central banks? Once more, it serves as the leader of the banking system and money market. It is the apex, means the head bank of the country. There is only one central bank in a country. In India, that is RBI, means Reserve Bank of India. I hope it is clear to you. And one more thing you can say, in central bank, the public has no direct relation with the central bank. For what? For the purpose of depositing money or for the purpose of taking loan or withdrawing the money, public doesn't have any direct relation with the central bank. And the central bank is head of all the bank. Okay, beta? Now coming commercial bank. You know what is commercial bank? All of us are knowing. Like if you are in McLexiganj, there is only one commercial bank is there in McLexiganj, that is Jharkhand Rajya Gramin Bank. And what you have been noticed there? Basically the people are going there to deposit the money or to withdraw the money or to take loan from the bank or not. So the commercial bank has a direct relation with the public. Because publics are directly going to deposit the money or withdrawing the money or they are going to take the loan. And there are so many commercial banks are there in our country. Yes or no? That everything is known to you. So commercial bank, last year I taught you in class 9. Once more, what is commercial bank? They receive deposit from the public and the business firms. They provide short-term and medium-term loans to the customer. Who are the customers? Those who have the account in the bank, they are basically called the customer. There are many commercial banks in our country. I told you there are so many commercial banks are there in the country. So today what all things I told you, beta? Today I told you what is the meaning of bank. Then I told you what is the meaning of banking. Then I discussed the meaning of central bank and then I discussed the meaning of commercial bank. That's enough for today. Thank you. Thank you so much.